In the world of small home design, maximizing every inch is paramount. Builders and architects are constantly seeking creative solutions to optimize space without sacrificing functionality or aesthetics. And one of those things is going to be a stair landing. Imagine a typical staircase with a landing midway. This landing, depending on its size and shape, could easily claim 8 to 12 square feet or more of your living area. And this means every square foot dedicated to a landing is a square foot that cannot be used for something else. Could that space be used for a built-in bookshelf, cozy reading nook, maybe making another room larger, or even a small kitchen pantry? In a small house where every square inch matters, you need to think about this. And of course, there are plenty of other exceptions. There are going to be reasons why you're going to need to use a stair landing. And if that happens, try to incorporate any possible storage solutions you could come up with underneath that landing to maximize its functionality and offset the space it's consuming. In other words, you should critically assess the necessity of a stair landing and always explore other space-saving alternatives whenever possible. By exploring these creative alternatives and prioritizing efficient design, you can create functional and aesthetically pleasing staircases that optimize space in smaller homes. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.